Namaste. Let's talk about the order of operations. And many of you out there know about this acronym PEMDAS or PEMDAS or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So after watching this video, you will be able to solve any kind of problems like related to PEMDAS. And before we get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nisha Thakur and I have been teaching since 2008. I have worldwide students. I teach first grade to college level, and for further details you can log on my website nishaitutor.com. So let's begin. When simplifying expression, it is important that we simplify them in the correct order. So for this, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiply and divide, then add and subtract. And multiply and divide, we solve like left to right, first left one and then right. So parenthesis means P, E exponent, M multiplication, D divide, A addition, and S subtraction. So we can remember this PEMDAS or PEMDAS. Okay, and here one more. We can learn like this. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so let's start the question. Now here given so many operations, addition, multiplication, parenthesis, subtraction, and exponent. So what should we do first according to PEMDAS? First we solve parenthesis. Okay, so 9 minus 4 is 5 and then square. Okay, parenthesis done. Now exponent, so we can solve exponent. 5 square is 25. Okay, now here two operations, addition, and here nothing, it means multiplication, so we should do multiplication. 2 plus 3 times 25, 75. Here don't add them because first multiplication and then addition according to PEMDAS rule. Otherwise you will do mistake here. Okay. And 2 plus 75, 77. And this is the answer. So just follow PEMDAS rule and that order PEMDAS. This second question, here division and multiplication. So remember whenever multiply or divide M or D, so follow left to right. So what should we do? What is left here? This one, division. So we do first division. 30 divided by 3, which is 10, and then multiply, which is 20. So no confusion, just follow left to right rule in multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. So here many parentheses, so which one we do first? Innermost. This is outer, then this is inner, but this is innermost. So we solve this innermost parenthesis, and inside each parenthesis we simplify using the order of operations as well. So here 8 square minus 7, 32 minus 4, and we solve this parenthesis. So here exponent and addition, so we do first exponent according to PEMDAS. 3 square, which is 9, and this is 1. Okay, now 8 square minus 7, 32 minus 4, and now we can simplify this parenthesis, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, now here 2 8 square minus 7 32, because here in this, now we solve in this parenthesis, and here subtraction and multiplication, so we do first multiplication then subtraction, don't subtract first. Okay, and now we can simply solve this parenthesis subtraction. So 32 minus 40 minus 8, and now we solve this parenthesis. So here exponent, subtraction and multiplication, so we do first exponent. 8 square, which is 64, and now multiplication. So here multiply 2 times, do left to right. Minus 7 multiply minus 8, positive 56. Just follow PEMDAS rule in each step. Okay, now here addition and here multiplication. So we do multiplication, and 56 times minus 7 minus 1, we get minus 56. And now we can subtract, so which is 8, and the answer is 2 times 8, 16. So this is our answer. If we have a fraction, the entire numerator and the entire denominator must be evaluated before we reduce the fraction. In this case, we can simplify in both numerator and denominator at the same time. So here in this expression, what should we do first? Exponent or subtraction or multiplication, which one? So according to PEMDAS, first solve exponent. So 2 to the power 4, which is 16, minus 8 times 3, and here divide sign and minus sign. So what should we do first? Divide. So 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Now, okay, now first we do multiplication. So 16 minus, this is actually minus 24, and 3 minus 1, which is 2. Okay, so now 16 plus 24, because minus minus plus, and here 16 plus 24, which is 40, divided by 2, and we get answer 20. This is our solution. When we have absolute value, this and this, here two absolute value. So we will evaluate everything inside the absolute value, just as if it were a normal parenthesis. You can imagine just like a normal parenthesis. Then once the inside is completed, we will take the absolute value. So 1 plus 3, here we can evaluate this absolute value, or we can say just like a parenthesis. So first solve exponent. 4 square, which is 16, minus 8, and this plus 2, this one 3, plus minus 5 square is 25. Okay, now 1 plus 3 minus 16 minus multiply with minus 8, it will be positive 8 plus 2, and now we can here add, this is 28. Okay, 1 plus 3 minus 16 plus 8 is minus 8, and plus 2 here, this value absolute value 28 is 28, so we can write in a normal parenthesis, a small parenthesis. Okay, and minus 8 become positive 8, so here we can write 8, simply 8, because all these values from here positive. Okay, 2 times 28, which is 56, 1 plus 3 times 8, 24, plus 56, and now you can add them. You can add from left side, so 1 plus 24, which is 25, 25 plus 56, 81, and this is the answer. Okay, if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.